We're here at Stellenbosch, Cape Town, at Stellenbosch High School. This also happens to be where a community-based student-led leadership program happens. So let's go meet some of the kids, let's go meet some of the teachers who are involved in this program. We're going to go meet some of the kids from last year. Here we go. Hey, Mr. P, how are you doing?
How are you doing, man?
Good, thanks.
Welcome to Stellenbosch.
Thank you very much. Naomi, what did you enjoy from last year's camp?
Ik heb die spanbouw, ik heb die van die spanbouw gehouden. Hoe is elkaar beter leren kennen en hoe is onder elkaar gezet en die dans en ja.
Perfect. And Brandon?
Mijn was ja, wat is bij die kamp gedaan het was met lekker was bij die kost en dans en alles is my positief, alles negatief positief gemaakt het ja en het is spanbouw, potjie kost gemaakt het ja.
This is Mr. Peterson, and he's one of the teachers at the school, and he's been absolutely amazing in introducing the program to the school. Mr. Peterson, tell us how's the influence of the program been to the kids?
I'm Marvin. As you know, I'm Mr. Peterson. I'm a community worker. I love children, and seeing these kids growing up like this was a bit sad and so on. And you came with this idea about making it positive. I think it's very good, and give them chances to grow and become better persons, positive leaders of the world.
What was the response of the kids from last year's camp when they got back?
Oh, Marvin, they was on a high. They were very excited when he came back after camp. They said, "Son, when are we going again?" And it makes them so feel like someone cares about them. It's like a mentoring where you can see when some kids have a problem, they assist them and mentor them and say, okay, there's light at the end of the tunnel.
Well, there we have it. If you're willing to help us make another one of these camps possible by financially contributing, then email us at makingpositiveteam@gmail.com or find our website at makingpositive.co.za.